Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful flower design from my leftover fabric. Now I will use this leftover fabric. I'm using scuba precisely. You can use any fabric of your choice. We have different colors, the red, the black and the white. So guys, I will start by using this cover as my pattern to draft out the circle part of the design. So I'll go ahead and place it on my fabric to mark. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, I've marked for the red one. I'll do the same thing to the black and the white. So guys, after marking out the circular part, I'll go ahead and cut it out. You can use any size you want. You can decide to use smaller circle or bigger circle depending on how you want the flower to be. If you want it big, you can go for bigger circle. If you want it smaller, you can go for smaller circle. So I've actually cut out the circle. I'll go ahead and cut out each of them, but mind you, we are not sewing anything. We are just using our needle and thread just to fold it and sew gather on it. So guys, watch me as I do it. So after sewing loose gather, I will drag it like so. You can see. Now I'll pick the second one and do the same thing by planting loose stitches on it. I'll just be doing the same thing I did at the first place. That's all you need. Just sew a loose stitches on it and drag it. That's all. And each of the flower will be using 4 circles. You can decide to make 6. You can decide to make it the same colors. You can see. So guys, you can see 4 of them, and I will as well join it to this and see if I'm sewing through the other side just to make everything together. Wow, you can see how beautiful it looks. Just make it more tight. Now because of white, I'm using white, so I will use black instead to make the beauty to come out very well. So by the time I join it, I will as well put it in. Okay, you can see. Then from the under like this, I'll just pick one and sew through it, then pass it through the middle in order to put my stone button on it. Then I'll sew it down again. Make sure you don't put it only at the hole there. Just make sure you sew through one part of the fabric. So guys, you can see we have made this beautiful flower. And see, you go ahead and secure it at the back. You pick all the folding, maybe you pick 1 or 2 together in order for everything to be firm. You can see, to close up any opening there. So guys, you can see I'll go ahead and secure it. You can see that, but to make our work as neat as possible, just separate it. Make sure everything is firm and beautiful. You fold it in. To make sure our work is very neat, I'll have to close up the stitches at the back. Just cut out a circle, just a small circle here. We'll apply gum on it and close it up. You can see. So guys, I'll do the same thing. Another method you can use to secure it, you can drag this one out and use it to secure it together. So guys, we can decide to do another shape, which is triangle shape. You fold the circle into two and as well fold it again, that is into four, just the same way we did on the other one, but the difference is that that one is circular and this one is triangular. You can see this is for the triangular shape. after making it, you can see the beautiful flowers. You can see this is triangle one, and other ones are circular one. Beautiful creative designs. You can see I use my B6000 glue to cover up the back. You can see you can use any glue of your choice to do that. So guys, try and make it yourself. Don't go there to buy it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, drop your comments at the comment section, and bye until I see you in my next video.